Welcome back to Tev's Travails, everyone. Today we're going to be playing with this compact tractor transport box. I bought this a few weeks ago and it's been in a storage unit ever since. I got it on eBay. I've been looking for a transport box for the Iseki TX2160 for quite a while. This came up. They are very rare, especially ones that are local to me, so I thought I've got to do it. I think this was about £250. Went and picked it up, and of course, because this is a Volvo estate, you can get anything in it, and three of us managed to get this in. And then when I got it to the storage unit, I got it out on my own with a lot of difficulty, and then yesterday I put it back in on my own again with a lot of difficulty, but using a storage unit trolley, these ramps, and kind of lifting it up onto the tow bar first. Now there's a good possibility I could just pull up the tractor behind it and just drag it out with a bit of rope, but I don't really want to wreck it on my first day, so I'm gonna try and use these ramps and be a little more careful with it this time. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so that's the general idea. Wiggle it out of the back of the car and onto the ramps, and then it will drop catastrophically to the floor. Yes, well, that was actually a lot easier than it looked once I just got it onto its hind legs, as it were. It kind of walked out. So I reckon a sharp tug on this rope pulled from over here will put it in position to be able to hook up the tractor, because the hitch is around that side. So let's see how this goes. Yeah, that is close enough. That is close enough. Right, let's get the tractor. Well, here's the old trusty Iseki 2160 that we know and love. Before I pick up the transport box, I've got to remove the topping mower. So before I do that, I might as well just use it to have a run through all of this, given how overgrown it is, and see if it can't do some good. So I think I'll just spend 10 minutes through here and then take the topper off. Okay, so we managed to go about 12 feet from there to here, and the mower stalled out, and this is why. There is a massive piece of wire. It's this chicken wire, this crap, and it's got itself stuck round the blade. So I'm gonna have to get an angle grinder and cut that off. Then there's that huge bit there, fuck me. Okay, hopefully I can get that off by hand. Okay, the mower deck is now disconnected and nicely parked up on its pallet. Until I can build a shelter for the tractor and this is where it will stay for now. I'm actually quite surprised how well it did with this sort of jungle bashing, and yeah, which is just as well because he's got plenty to do. Well, here is the transport box all connected up using the standard 3-point hitch, and I've got its first bit of work ready to do. Slightly annoyingly, it is just not quite wide enough to fit these pallets in, so I'm gonna have to be balanced on top just to start with, but let's fire it up and see how it copes with taking these down to the end of the land. Okay, so this is where the pallets have got to go to provide some sort of way through this absolute quagmire, and that's about as close as I think I can safely get the tractor without it tipping over, because it hasn't got a roll bar on top, as you know, and I don't want to end up underneath it. But that said, this is done really well. There's nothing securing those pallets on top of that transport box, and they haven't fallen off, so I'm really impressed with that. And already it's done its first little bit of work, so already showing its value. I think that's it for now. I've got another project in line for the transport box to do, because I really don't fancy carrying what I'm about to take in it, so that'll be one for next time. But thank you for tuning in and having a bit of fun with a compact tractor transport box.